Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, January 30th, and this is my recap of the more popular pairs. So we're going to take a look at the pound dollar on the 1 hour time frame. If you want to see my more full top-down analysis on the pound dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. If you would like to join my 100% free Discord trading community, then check out the link at the end of this video down here. And if you would like to join my membership for only $30 a month, you get access to all the benefits listed below for only, like I said, $30 per month. So anyways, the pound dollar, very, very slow, very overlapping, but like I've been saying, I think we are very likely in a correction right now. Corrections are very overlapping, very choppy, overlapping patterns. I definitely haven't changed my analysis though. I do think that it is likely to go down to one of these lower Fibonacci levels. This move down right here is still looking to me like a trend, which is why I still think that this is likely a wave A. Sometimes wave Bs can take out the previous high, so I mean it could possibly pop up a little more. We definitely already got a 61% Fibonacci bounce from the last push down, so you would kind of think that it was already over. And if anything, maybe it'll just do a little stop hunt or something, and most likely make a 5 wave trend to the downside for like a wave C, making this an ABC correction to this whole last wave up. And then we should get a pretty nice fib bounce in either a big wave 3 or a big wave C on the much, much higher time frames, making this either an A or a 1, this either a B or a 2, and then go up for either a wave 3 or a wave C. So don't forget to join my free Discord community. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.